Hello again. Well, we've made it to Basque Country. It's pretty echo in here, isn't it? This is our Airbnb. I'm home for the next fortnight, so let's see who's home. This gets really dark as well. I don't know why it gets so dark. Let's see who's home. So dark.
Hello.
Hello.
And welcome to San Sebastian.
Yeah, San Sebastian, Basque Country. Here we are.
Yes. This place is pretty special.
Yeah.
We are right in the centre, one street behind
Yes.
the water.
Yeah.
Literally 1 minute walk.
1 minute walk to the beach. Have a look at
1 minute walk.
Oh,
It's just crazy.
there it is.
It's awesome.
You can look
I
through
picked
this
one.
apartment there and have beach views. Yeah, you picked this one. This is your
I
pick.
picked this one too. So, how about we do the tour?
We'll do the tour. Where do you want to start?
So now we'll start with the bedroom.
Bedroom. All right, go.
So we have some nice shutters and a little balcony.
Yes,
So you can
lovely.
look at. A bed, comfy bed, I think.
Bigger than we've been experiencing.
Ooh, nice.
Hard.
Middle.
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 No split down the middle this time.
Heaps of towels, so
That's
we'll be
good.
right.
Love it.
A little walk-in room.
Yeah, it goes around the corner as well.
Perfect. Oh, it does. A little hidey spot. So it's very nice. It's finished really nicely. A decent sized bathroom. No bath though, but you know, I'll survive.
Tiny little shower. That's going to be a struggle for me, I reckon.
No, well, go on. Let's have a look. See how you go. Oh, it's snug. We call it snug.
It's snug. I should be able to turn around.
You'll be fine. You can wash your hair and everything there.
Oh, cool.
No, it's very nice. The finishings are really, really nice.
Yeah.
We've got another walk-in robe here.
Our bags are in
So
there.
our bags are in there, an extra doona and stuff like that, extra towels. Then we have a little lounge area, which I think,
It's a fold out.
ooh, it's very comfy and it folds out
Yeah,
into another
it's a
bed.
fold out bed.
So if we don't want to go out anywhere, we can just have dinner in bed watching TV.
Watch your TV.
TV, a little lamp, another balcony,
Yeah.
dining table,
Pretty good kitchen.
very nice kitchen. We have got fridge, we've got heaps of cooking facilities,
Yeah.
red wine glasses, which is a must, and big, nice wine
And a
glasses.
Dolce Gusto machine, so you can get some good coffee for a change instead of no more blend 43.
And like it's an outdoor,
Yeah, it's like an outdoor area.
yeah, like a for I guess washing. Yeah, washing machine
Yeah.
and an iron. That's it. And you can hang your clothes out.
It's a bit weird out here though.
It's very odd. Look at that.
Yeah.
Must be the internal part of the.
Yeah, all the buildings meet in the middle. And everyone dries their stuff. Yeah, it's weird.
Very odd, but nice and quiet. It's I think only 5
Levels,
floors,
yeah.
5 floors, and there's 3 apartments per floor, something like that. But it's really nice, clean, tidy,
There's a shop downstairs.
and a full-length mirror just in case if you don't, you know, not sure about your outfit.
There you go. And I think it was a couple of $100. $220, $250 a night? $220 a night.
This was for 4 nights, just 1,200.
Oh, okay, so
a little bit
$300
more,
a night.
But compared to the hotels
Yeah.
and everything else, this was cheap. I know that sounds
It's a beach
crazy.
location, so it's going to be super popular.
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
very popular.
Yeah.
I mean, the hotels that we looked at were like $400 or $500.
Yeah.
And they weren't great.
It's nuts.
So this is quite well. Downstairs is actually a supermarket.
Oh yeah, there's a little shop there.
Yeah.
Just down there. Bit different prices than Ardor, let me tell you.
Very much so.
Alright, well we're going to unpack, have a shower and go for a wander I think.
I think so.
So see you next time, bye!